Today we are going to discuss about the minor penalties and major penalties of the CCS CCA rules under 1965. Under the rules 11 of the CCS CCA rules, minor penalties and major penalties are listed. In minor penalties, there are the 5 minor penalties. First, censure. Second, withholding of promotion. Third, recovery from the pay of the whole and part by any loss by the government servant. Now third A is the reduction of the lower stage in the time scale of the pay by one stage for a period less than the 3 years without the cumulative effects and the without adversely affected the pensionary benefits of the government's employee. Next, fourth penalty is withholding of increment. These are the minor penalties under the rule 11 of CCS CCA rules. Now we discuss about the major penalties, and in the major penalties sub rule 5, the reduction to the lower stage in the time scale of pay for a specified period which is greater than the 3 years. If this is the less than 3 years, then it is the minor penalty, but if it is greater than the 3 years, then it is said to be in the major penalty. Reduction, next, sixth sub rule, reduction to a lower time scale or of grade, pay, post or the service for a period of specified in the order of penalty. And the sixth A rule is order should be also specified as to whether the period of the reduction will have the effect of postponing the future increment of the government employee, and if so, to what extent. So the time is also specified in the penalty order. Next, 6th B, whether the government servant will regain its original seniority in the higher post or grade. This is also specified in the. Now, 7th penalty is the compulsory retirement. 8th penalty is the removal from the service, and 9th penalty is the dismissal from the service. Now, what is the difference between the removal from the service and the dismissal from the service? The removal from the service not qualify the government servant for the future employment, but the dismissal from the service is also disqualify the government employee for the future employment.